Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn about Java data types. Data types are used to define the type of data that a variable can hold. Each data type has specific characteristics and uses. Java has two categories of data types: primitive data types and reference or non-primitive data types. We'll start with the primitive data types. Primitive data types are the basic data types in Java, and they represent simple values. There are 8 primitive data types in Java. Byte. This data type stores whole numbers from -128 to 127. It's used when memory is a concern and you need to store small numbers. The short. This data type stores whole numbers from this number to this number. It's used when you need a larger range than byte. Int. This data type stores whole numbers from this number to this number. It's the most commonly used data type for whole numbers. Long. This data type stores very large whole numbers from this number to this number. You need to add an letter L or L small letter at the end of the number to indicate it's a long value. Float. Float is a data type that stores decimal numbers with single precision. You need to add an F or F at the end of the number to indicate it's a float value. Double. This data type stores decimal numbers with double the precision. It's the most commonly used data type for decimal numbers. Char. This data type stores single characters like letters or symbols using single quotes. The Boolean. This data type stores only two values, true or false, representing Boolean logic. In the next videos, we'll deep dive into these primitive data types. Now let's take an overview about the non-primitive data types. Non-primitive or the reference data types are used to refer to objects. An object is a complex data type that represents a real-world entity and has its own properties and methods. Examples of reference data types include array, which is used to store multiple values of the same type in a single variable. String. This data type is used to store a sequence of characters, which is a text. It's a commonly used class in Java. Classes are user-defined reference data type that allow you to create objects with their own properties and methods. These are the main data types in Java. Using the appropriate data type for your variables is essential for efficient memory usage and correct representation of data in your programs.